just as essential as having a good kitchen knife sharpener to help you maintain your cutlery. There are many products available to choose from as a kitchen knife sharpener, each with specific characteristics, benefits, and prices. To assist you make a knowledgeable decision, I did substantial research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a listing of the best kitchen knife sharpener from reliable brands. After an awful lot of research, I located these merchandise an awful lot beneficial for human beings like you. If you desire to know about the price and different information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. The AcuSharp Knife Sharpener. The AcuSharp is on the less expensive end of things, but the best thing it has going for it over other choices is that it plays well with serrated knives in a way that electric sharpeners do not. It's a good knife sharpener for beginners, easy to clean with a protective grip that keeps your fingers well clear of the blade as you handle it. It is suited not only for kitchen knives but for hunting knives as well. If what you are looking for is a low barrier of entry and versatility, you will not find a better option than this. Number 2. Presto EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener. The Presto EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener works much like a pull-through, but it's automated. Despite this, it is lightweight and low maintenance. The whole thing is about 1 pound and 8 inches long, making for easy storage. The angle of the stages of this sharpener is not adjustable, but the good news is that it works just fine on scissors if the blades are thin enough to fit into the slot. Are there better sharpeners out there? Yes. Can the quality of the Presto be beaten in its price range? I have yet to see it. Number 3. Chef's Choice Pronto Pro Knife Sharpener. The Pronto Pro is a pull-through sharpener, meaning no plugs and easy storage. Multiple stages ensure your knife reaches a true state of sharpness rather than just honing it to a single shape. Although Chef's Choice can be a bit on the expensive side, the quality of the sharpener makes it ideal for someone sharpening knives in a professional setting. It's quick and easy to use, doesn't require much maintenance, and will last you a long time. So if you have it in your budget to get one of these, it is well worth it. Number 4. Broad & Taylor Professional Knife Sharpener. The Broad & Taylor Professional Knife Sharpener looks weird at a glance, but bear with me. This sharpener is not recommended for beginners because it has a steeper learning curve. However, if you already know what you're doing, this knife sharpener is incredibly versatile. The edges can be adjusted to give you more control over what you're doing with your edge. Once you know what you're doing, it's quick and works on serrated knives. If you don't mind the learning curve and want a good versatile knife sharpener that will give you a professional quality finish, this might be the choice for you. Number 5. WorkSharp E2 Kitchen Knife Sharpener. The WorkSharp is fully automated and versatile enough to work on scissors alongside your various kitchen cutlery. It's serrated blade friendly and comes at a cost that won't break the bank, which is an excellent sharpener for beginners, fully guided and push-button activated. It's small enough to pack away in a drawer, which means it will be easy to get out of the way when you aren't using it and won't clutter your countertops. With a low barrier for entry, this is an excellent choice if you want a quick and easy fix for your dull knife needs. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want more facts or if you want to understand product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your lifestyles a good deal easier.